Good morning, good morning. Gee, look at our garden. It looks like a jungle now. Oh no, I can't believe it's been raining. So this is what happened. The grass still wet, you know. Look at how thick the grass is. Oh no. There's so much things to do in the backyard. It's been raining for almost a month off and on, so this is what happened. Oh no. What I'm gonna do with all this? The tomatoes doing good though. And the flowers, the pretty flowers. Hi birds, good morning. Dang it, the birds. Birds are talking or whatever they're doing. You hear it? The blueberries. They keep eating the blueberries, so we have a net. Just there's a lot of things to do. When it rains, too much rains. This is what happened. And our peaches didn't because it's been raining also. So I don't know. I got molded. Oh no. Hi. Look at how thick is the grass. Pears. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna have to clean up this garden. The flowers are pretty though. Everything everyone. There's the pretty flowers there. So beautiful.